how to bypass geo-restriction with Surfshark VPN. So bypassing geo-restriction with Surfshark VPN is a straightforward process. So for that case, first of all, you need to make sure to install and create your account on Surfshark. When you're done with that procedure, go ahead and open up or log in into your Surfshark account. So when you're logged in, you'll see a list of available VPN servers located around the world. You can just go ahead and choose a server location where the content or service you want to access is not restricted. Now, for example, if you want to access content available only in the United States, select a US-based server, and then you can just go ahead and click or tap the server location to initiate the VPN connections, and the app will connect to the server or select the server and encrypting your internet traffic and masking your IP address. Now, once the VPN connection is established, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that you're now connected to a Surfshark VPN server, and you can also verify new IP address which should match the location of the server you connected to. With the VPN connection activated, you can now access geo-restriction content or services as if you were physically located in a selected server location. So that's how you can bypass geo-restrictions with Surfshark VPN. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.